you have to make sure that you make those dunks at least. Make those dunks where it is now. Otherwise, if you don't,
Lakasan mo.
if you miss a dunk, automatic foul.
Lakasan mo, hindi ko mabitawan.
Na-play din lang.
Konti lang.
Walang manonood yan.
Tama na, tama na.
Gone are the days of the short guys who can jump out.
Okay,
Iba na talaga. And Rico Meyerhofer trying to get the crowd involved. Alam mo itong si Rico Meyerhofer, showman talaga. He really wants the crowd. And that's a good dunk. That's a difficult dunk. Grabbing on to number 1 sa Ateneo. That's right. JC and Tal. Well, the good thing about this competition is you can actually re-dunk if you miss it. That's right. And it will not affect your score. Not unless mag-meet si JC sa pangalawang attempt. That's a good dunk by JC. Alam mo, nakakalata ako dito sa mga taga-BMX their days, ano? Parang talagang showman ng mga dunkers natin. That's classic KG Canaleta. Ang tawag doon, binalipan. Oo. Iniliko sa kanan, biniti ng kaunti, at saka niya, idinang papalito.
Parang isa pa, isa pa.
Iniliko sa kanyang paa, bago dinakdak.
Kung talagang matalaga
KG Canaleta gonna do another dunk.
Oh, shit.
Off and throwing it down. KG Canaleta, he just makes it look so easy. Binabanggit mo kanina, Nico, sabi mo, Dom, Nico tuloy, dahil katabi natin ito si Nico. Look at how difficult itong ginawa ni KG Canaleta. Look at how deep that pop off, two-hand slam, kind of twisting. And that from Mr. Nico Halili, of course from the judges we got a 47 from Mr. Nico Halili. Yeah, ano yun? So, sobrang hirap na hirap eh. Hindi maipaliwanag dito yung tuwa. At mukhang hindi pa nagawa. I think he tried twice, but our defending champion, Gabe Norwood. Let's see what he has in store for us for his first dunk. Trying to bounce it off the board. Let's see if Gabe Norwood is satisfied with that dunk. He can actually keep on dunking. That's right. Till he decides which dunk he wants the judges to score. Going off for that bounce.
Eh? Wala na, umuwi ka na.
Early on, sinabi ni Gabe Norwood that he actually wants to try something different this year. So let's see what he has in store. As long as yung measurement daw ng court would permit him, susubok ng iba-ibang dunk shots. But the thing is, time is running out on Gabe Norwood. He has like 18 seconds left, and as you mentioned earlier, each player has 60 seconds to complete a dunk. Well, very important for your first dunk to be solid. That's right. Solid meaning you get a solid score, and you make it in the first 2 tries. That's a difficult dunk by Gabe Norwood. Because timing yan at galing sa likod ng ring. At ang mahirap dyan is, pwede kang maumbog. That's right.